Ever wonder how a tiny signal switch's massive power meet the electrical contactor? Standard switches can't handle heavy motor loads without burning out. That's where contactors come in. At the top, we have incoming line terminals, L1, L2, and L3. Inside, the heart of the contactor is an electromagnetic coil surrounding an iron core. When low control voltage hits terminals A1 and A2, it creates a magnetic field. That magnetic pull snaps the main contacts shut, allowing high power to flow instantly. Wiring power input to the line side ensures clean, direct power distribution to your system. Control wires attach to A1 and A2, running on safer, lower control voltage. Auxiliary contacts labeled NO and NC send feedback signals back to your controller. Attaching an overload relay to the bottom load terminals protects your motor from overcurrent. Press the start button, the coil energizes, and your high-power load snaps online safely. Like and subscribe to Electrical Design Pro for more professional industrial design breakdowns.